This is NFTs Explained for hot girls. So it's actually very simple. I'm gonna go to the Chanel store to buy a very rare, one-of-a-kind Chanel bag. And the sales associate gives it to me and gives me my little authentication certificate, which we love. But maybe a year later, I'm sick of this bag and I wanna sell it on like eBay, right? This would be our OpenSea marketplace. And I found me a buyer, right? But I'm like, I don't know if this buyer is sus, if they really got this 10 G's they talking about, or what's going on. And they're looking at me like, I don't know if this girl's Chanel bag is real or the Canal Street channel. But because we're on the blockchain, he can see all my receipts from my Chanel bag at the Chanel store, and I can see all the receipts into his bank account, so I know he really about this money. So now we trade and there's no scammers and everyone's happy. But now, instead of a Chanel bag, it's digital art.
Nice, I just minted my first NFT. Isn't it beautiful? What does that mean, to mint an NFT? So the term mint is borrowed from the everyday world where we mint coins out of metal. So it works the same in the digital world? Yeah, so to convert a digital file into an NFT, which is a token, it needs to become a part of the blockchain network. So minting is the process where your digital asset gets stamped with the NFT classification. Okay, so it's kind of like making a digital file official and now it can be traded and tracked. Exactly.
This 12-year-old is set to make over $400,000 after about 2 months of selling NFTs. But to be fair, this explosion in NFT popularity was predicted 6 months ago by this article featured in Cointelegraph. But if you struggle with the concept of NFTs, let me explain. An NFT is simply a piece of digital art that cannot be copied. And the reason that no one can copy it is once an NFT is created, it lives on the blockchain and has its own unique, verifiable number. So if anyone ever questions the authenticity of your NFT, you can just provide them with the unique number that it was minted with and prove that you own the original. Who would have ever thought that in 100 years, when we look back in history, we're going to look at these things as examples of how the art industry was revolutionized forever.
I bought the NFT industry so you don't have to. And now I'm going to explain it. Starting with NFT types, we've got art NFTs, music, video games, trading cards, memes, domain names, virtual fashion, DAOs, tangible NFTs. Obviously at the moment, the art and NFT profile picture space is booming. So I think as people tap into the value capture of NFTs, the other types are going to start building out over the next year. You'll need to store your NFTs in a compatible NFT crypto wallet. So we can store them in Coinbase, Phantom for Solana token, MetaMask, and Clutch for Ethereum NFTs. NFTs are bought from marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, Magic Eden, and SuperRare. Coinbase is also launching their own NFT marketplace. And note that each of these marketplaces are using a specific blockchain to launch and list these NFTs. OpenSea, for example, is listing Ethereum-based NFTs, whilst Magic Eden is listing Solana NFTs. Purpose. The next thing to consider is the purpose of your NFT purchase. Are you buying it for resale, to make money by flipping, or is there a utility to your NFT? There is a huge flipping and resale market in NFTs at the moment, especially in the profile picture space with art NFTs. If it's not the art, then what is it that you're investing into? NFTs are being used for DAO membership or for event tickets, for exclusive membership to groups, where the value for those is very apparent. Understanding the NFT value is really important. These are some of the tools that can help you with insights and data when purchasing NFTs. Rarity Sniper, Rarity Tools, Etherscan Token Tracker, Icy Tools, Mobi, and Trait Sniper. Each of these provide different points of data relevant to NFTs that can help you with purchasing or selling your NFT. I can do a deep dive into them later. The purchase process. You connect your wallet to a marketplace. To mint or buy NFTs, you'll need gas. Each marketplace has different gas. So OpenSea charges ETH, Magic Eden charges Solana. You buy the NFT from the marketplace, or you might be part of the minting process. The NFT drops into your wallet. You either keep it, you use it. If it's like a ticket, you might join a community because you have one, or you could sell it. Key NFT metrics are utility, rarity, floor price, roadmap, community size, volume, and provenance. Those metrics are mostly important if you're looking to resell your NFT or flip it. They're some of the indicators that investors will look at to determine the value. These are some of the top NFT collections. The 3 blockchains that host NFTs, and finally the social and community spaces that you can join, which will give you updates on the project's development and connect you with community. If you have a friend that needs to get into NFTs, feel free to send this to them. And tap the plus button for more videos like this.